we are really proud to introduce Supernet. So what is Supernet? Supernet is an innovation in mobile internet experience that is delivered through major development in our network. Supernet is the answer to the question, how can we make the use of smartphone better for our customers? Supernet is also our way to say that a smartphone works only as good as the network that it is on.
So today we are very happy to drive you through the 4 pillars of Supernet: Ultra Speed, Extreme, Max Protection and Security Pro.
We are here to introduce something that is totally new for Vodafone Romania and is also totally new for Romania in general. The time that people spend on their mobile has increased massively, and we see from market research that between 2011 and 2013 the time spent by customer on their smartphone has doubled. Now, the time that people have spent in pure communication services in reality has not increased. So we see that about 45 minutes are spent by any users on a smartphone. But what has really increased and more than tripled is the other kind of behaviors, like for instance browsing, social networking, content usage, video in particular, and gaming, etc. And this has transformed the usage of connectivity and communication services.
The world is changing also from a technology perspective. So smartphones are really driving the data consumption. That means, as a reference, if we compare a 2G customer with a 3G customer, the 3G customer is using data 10 more times. But then, if the customer is starting to be addicted to videos, the usage consumption is going to 40 times. And then, if he adopts a 4G phone, the data consumption is going to 100 times. So in reality, data consumption is booming, and this is changing the way of designing the networks as well. So it's becoming very important in the network, not just the access part, but each element in order to have a perfect end-to-end platform.
So our customers, both in business but also in consumer, they use the mobiles more and more with very precious, very, let's say, important information stored on those devices. This is why security is becoming more and more important, it's becoming really crucial. But yet, if you look at the international statistics, Romania is ranking number 10 worldwide when it comes to infected mobile devices. It's number 10 worldwide when it comes to infected devices. If you look at the Ministry of Cybernetic Attacks Security here in Romania, last year in 2013 there have been 43 million attacks in Romania alone, with more than 10,000 sites being affected. 1 of 4 Romanians have been a victim to cyber attacks. But not only private persons are victim to cyber attacks, also government accounts, public authorities and also corporations are attacked by viruses, malware, corrupted files, and basically by cyber attacks, with the loss of data going into the millions of euros. Now, all the 3 trends we've just described are also happening in Romania, but the difference is that in Romania they're really happening with an amazing speed. They're happening with a fast speed. And we're proud to say that it's really a revolution what we're seeing happening right now in Romania when it comes to the mobile internet. And the best KPI to show this is basically the increase of selling of mobile phones in the Romanian market. It's really an explosion how Romanians, consumers and enterprise are adopting smartphones. And if you compare a figure, February 2012 to basically this summer, the numbers of smartphones sold in Romania has more than quadrupled.